All right, here with our last Series 2 Release 21 pack. Last ones have had a lot of Tyler Harrows, so we'll see if that trend keeps going. And the whole market's been down as of late, so if you're wanting to get in for some Series 1 good values, you can get some right now. Taking a little while to open on this one. They must have crammed 3 LeBrons in this one. Or 3 Otto Porter Juniors, we'll see. Here we go. Attempt number 2. Also, as far as the challenges goes, it appears people have learned that the value of the moments required for the challenges dropped so significantly that a lot of people aren't even bothering going for the challenges anymore. Even if it is a Kevin Durant or LeBron James or the best dunk of the year with Anthony Edwards. It seems like Top Shot. We're going to, let's see. I'm going to try to open it again. It might just be a case where it's already opened and the moment's in the account. Here we go. First up. Lakers. What do we got? LeBron James. That's some assist. Nice rebound and assist. Looks like a football pass. All right. Let's see what serial number that is. All right, so super high, but it doesn't matter. It's LeBron. We will take it. Looks like what's Duncan Robinson, I think? This is the first Robinson I have. Didn't mean to hit that. Move that out of the way. What do we got here? All right. I'll have to look up that kind of price point. It'll be interesting to see like where the LeBron James ends up selling for. $35,000. Let's see, the $15,000 is sitting about $950 right now. So I would think the $35,000 would be about $300 maybe $250 after the initial spike. I think it'll settle down probably around that area, maybe $200 to $400. We'll see. All right. Graham. I gotta be honest, this is a new one for me too. Let's see what that is. Devontae Graham. A decent serial number, but not a rookie or anything. So overall, great pack because we got LeBron. All right, guys. See you later.